Hey guys, we're gonna head up to Whittier and get a BMW 1980 633 CSI shark nose restored. I'm gonna take you guys along the way for the process. It's been in storage for
about 25 years.
25 years. So yeah, we're gonna take you along the process to get it roadworthy again.
I've owned it for about 35 years and put it in storage, and wanted to give it to one of my kids one day, and just so happened to have one of those kids sitting next to me right now that was totally into restoring a vehicle, and this might be the perfect format to do that. So stay with us and let's see how this turns out.
Alright, there's that one.
What are we doing, Cody?
Taking the fuel pump off, get this bad boy running again. Alright, Spencer, it's gonna be coming out here in just a second.
There's the canister out. Oh. I just spilled it. I just spilled the gas canister. Watch your eyes, yeah? I'm just trying to get this in there so I can try to capture it.
Pull this one off. Point it up.
Some more gas.
Point that one up, Spencer.
Which one?
The one in my hand.
This one?
Point it up, yeah.
Okay. There we go. Heck yeah. Oh, here, just set that there.
Like that. That's how it came out right there. The flow goes this way.
Okay.
Pretty yellow.
Yeah, that feels really old.
Yeah, it's very stinky.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. There's your fresh fluid now.
Oh yeah, it's clear.
Now it's clear. So now we know that that's cleaned out.
So let's move that out of the way so, I don't knock it over again. Knock it over wherever we put it, apparently.
Did you knock it over?
Again, yeah.
So the way the fuel flows, the line on the backside right here goes from the top of the tank, pumps into here because it pumps from this right here, pumps down, connects to the pump, the filter, and then this goes straight to the motor right here, this side, and then it snakes up onto here. Then this line right here is your fuel going to the motor, and then that one's the return line.
Here, you guys just saw some shots of us replacing this fuel filter. You can see there's a new high pressure inline fuel pump there, and then right up on top of Cody here we have a fuel tank. It's the original fuel tank that came out of the car, but we had to send it off to a place in Bellflower, California, and they refurbished the fuel tank for us. They did a good job. They service all the fuel tanks on this side of the country. They fly fuel tanks in from all over the place to have it done. But they did a good job. Couple day turnaround. It was about $300, but it was worth it. We had a really nasty gunk that was built up in there, the fuel varnish and stuff. This is a shot of the fuel that came out of the car. But the fuel that's been in there was in there for about 30 years, so it's good we got it switched out, and hopefully after we finish changing this filter, we're gonna be able to crank it up and see what happens.
The belts,
okay.
the spark plug wires, all that stuff was done.
When I was looking.
All right, we're hooked up, you guys.
So later on, like after it runs, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna run, later on we can unhook the battery when we pull it in to do work while it's just not draining on it while it's sitting, okay?
All right.
We'll go ahead and we'll put it up on the battery tender so we can just keep the battery charged up, bring it back in. That way when we're working with everything open, we're not just draining the battery while it's sitting prior to it being driven.
Okay, right on. Let's do this.
All right.
Ooh, hold on. Good luck. All right, you guys. Priority number 1 right here.
Yeah,
we're gonna go ahead and fire it up
here
and see what happens. So Cody, you're watching for fuel leaks.
Yep.
Craig,
Yep.
your supervisor.
So Cody, you're gonna look at me.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna look at me, Spencer. So if I do this, it gets cut off.
Yep.
One more climb.
One more, yeah.
All right, firing.
Yeah, come on. Give it a little gas. A little more.
You hold on, just give it a second, reset.
Okay, there goes a little bit more air. There you go.
Come on, big girl.
She's running. Oh,
A little bit.
Whew, that was close.
Yep.
there's still a little air in the line, Spence, but it's not leaking, so you're good.
We're gonna throw the wheel back on, do a little hyperlapse here, me and Cody. Hee! And we're gonna try to get it run a little more. So we're gonna finish up, tighten up the wheel here, me and Cody, mostly Cody. And then we're gonna go ahead and try to fire it up again. I promise you guys I'll get you a time-lapse casual YouTuber style car wash one of these days. I'll mix it into the video, but when I first got it home and first washed it, I failed to do that. So we'll make it happen another time for you guys. I'll also do some better like B-roll shots of the interior of the car and engine bay and everything like that once I have a day with some more sunlight and whatnot. But yeah, so I'm gonna flip the camera around. We're gonna go ahead and crank it up again and see what happens.
Now do it. Let it sit for a second. Now do it. There you go. She runs, baby.
Not there yet. There we go.
There she. She's not even on the gas. Are you on the gas a little bit?
A little bit.
She's on it a little bit. There you go.
Kind of letting the throttle out, see how low it goes. Yee! Just fired it up. She's running on her own right now. It's a good look. And it's dry underneath the BMW. Are you kidding me? There's no wet spots? Heck yeah. Island. Looks like we have an alternator light. Might be a charging issue.
The battery's not always full.
Yeah, that could be why too. That definitely doesn't work at all. Or just there's no problems, which I doubt. Heck yeah. Might be an alternator issue. Looking dry below there? Yeah. That's awesome. She's purring away. Heck yeah. Give it a little gas, Cody. Just a little bit. Yeah. Oh. Did the alternator light go away? Oh, sweet. Hey, it fixed itself.
All the lights working here too.
Yeah, here, turn the lights on. Oh yeah, they work. Oh yeah, we're glowing. This thing is ready to hit the road, you guys. Woo! Got everything glowing, Cody. Good stuff. Alright. Well, I think we'll go ahead and kill it here so it doesn't get too hot before we park it away in the garage. That's good to know. I'm really glad we got it started up. Got it fired up here, Cody. What do you think?
It's pretty good. It sounds good too.
Guys, so I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna leave it up for part 2. That's gonna include like some first drives, going through the registration process. It's been non-op for a long time, obviously. Gonna do some mods for like wheels and maybe lower it and whatnot. But I'll post that video in the future. It's gonna be a little bit of time. I want to make sure I have enough content put together for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's a little different than my usual footage with all the mountain biking videos and whatnot. But I have some plans to change up some of the content on the channel. Mountain biking will be staying around, but I'm going to add some stuff maybe with some camping and whatnot here in the future, just as the seasons are changing, as well as the time change we had here in California. But thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next videos.